sure shot formula for success is, see, it's achieving success is a science. It's not a magic. There's a step-by-step process which one can achieve with a little bit of focus and discipline. All we have to do is make your subconscious mind work for you. We should be really, aware of what we are doing, how we are. Just that awareness, I think, would definitely make a lot of difference. See, subconscious mind, when you have a problem, just put it in your subconscious mind, and I think just leave it for some time, and definitely within 2-3 days time, you will definitely come up with a solution. Just give it some time for your mind to when it relaxed and when a subconscious mind is working, certainly you will get a solution. It is as simple as that. All you have to do is train your mind to work for you, train your subconscious mind to work for you. And another important aspect is, see, there's an 80%, 20% formula where we are putting in all our time on, we are putting 80% of our time and effort on something that's earning only 20% revenue. So I feel that, that's where we're going wrong. So let's figure out what is our core strength, what is our, where we're getting our bread and butter from. So let's concentrate on that aspect, where we're getting our 80% revenue. You put in a time, you're certain to succeed. There's absolutely no doubt about that. And as Mahatria says, you have to see how quickly you can adapt to a transition. See, now it is a challenge. COVID is a challenge. So then you need to go. There'll be a lot of transitions that you have to make, and how quickly you're able to make the transitions, that will define your success. So see, life is designed like that. Under Vijay Patamari, life is designed in such a way. See, you don't invent problems and challenges for you, but when it comes, let us face it. So all that we have to do is be prepared. We have a clear mind and work on it. And and for that, you have to put yourself in an environment, in a good, conducive environment, something like, like ABN, where a lot of entrepreneurs meet and where you have some brilliant minds, getting through. And see, they say your income is the average income of 5 people you are interacting with. So that's very important. You need to choose the people that you are with. Always be surrounded with, with very motivated, positive people. That'll definitely make a big change there. And every world successful trainer says, focus on your well-being. 1 hour of exercise, 1 hour of yoga. See, it could be just about 30 minutes of exercise, 30 minutes of yoga, and probably 10 minutes of meditation. That will do a lot of good. And that's what every successful trainer says. And see, there's one thing that during the COVID, Success Gyan did, they had interviews with a lot of world-class trainers. The video is still there in Facebook. Go to Success Gyan, Facebook, and you have a lot of world-class trainers like Brian Tracy. Brian Tracy gives you, he breaks it up into little points. He gives you all that you have to do. You have to blindly keep following that with a focus and discipline. And Kumaravel was one absolutely brilliant session with Success Gyan, and Rajiv Talreja. That he's again a brilliant trainer. So what we have to do, see, as an entrepreneur, we don't get into trainings at all. Whereas the corporates, they train their executives. They give them a lot of training. They keep them motivated. But as entrepreneurs, we fail to do that. So I think the most important point would be, as an entrepreneur, get into. Anyway, you could probably see YouTube, or you could go to a session and be always surrounded with people who can really give you a lot of brainstorming. There's a lot of brainstorming, and that stuff will be really helpful. And always create a transformational relationship. Don't go for a transactional relationship with anybody, be it your client, be it anybody. Don't go for a transactional relationship. Let it be, let it be very transformational. And when we see the first 10, 15 years, I was really working hard, very passionate. But okay, with some direction, we can make money, success will come. When you do it passionately, it's bound to come with all that we need is good direction. And always provide more value to your clients. Be a giver, not a taker. This is my I think this is my learning from all that I've with all the experiences that I had. Initially it was really tough, but the challenges, I thought with all these trainers and all that, it can really help. You can change it. That's what we can definitely change it.